Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, and it's my birthday weekend. It's my birthday weekend. That's not how the song goes, but we doing this now. Wait! Okay, it's Ipsy time. I got it directly on my birthday. Like, come on now. I'm filming this on my birthday, by the way. You like the fit? You like the fit? You like that? You like the hair? You like the nails? You like the fit? You like the ring? Ooh, I love it. Nah, I don't love Ipsy. I like it. Sometimes I love it. Sometimes I won't fight it. Yeah. But today, they gave me a drawstring bag. I don't know why they put the stuff that they used to give in Ipsy glam bag to this, because I like my little pouches I could put in my bags. I like that. Or I could put it on my wrist and wear it as a bag, or just hold it as a bag. I like that. I do not like this. Okay. Yeah, I could put it as a bag. No, cute, whatever. Wearing it as my little sack. But I don't want to. Especially, I don't got colors that go with this. Well, no. I do have one pink dress. But literally one. So this is a flop. You guys should have. I don't know what was happening during my birthday month. The ideas, the artists, or anything. But you should have done a regular bag. If this is how it's going to be, I don't want next month's. Doesn't matter how much cool stuff you have, I do not want next month's. I think what they're doing was because they had the Glam Bag X with Fenty. They was like, fuck everything else. That's how I feel this month is going to be. So, I feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Okay, let's start off with what I believe, is my choice item. This right here. This is a gloss. First of all, where is the... Okay. First of all, Passport to Glam. That's the theme for the month. July 2024. Vacation worthy makeup. Fresh and skincare. Transport scents. Alright. Ooh, they have the thing inside. Okay. So, this is Catano it's a C. C or Catano Beauty Hydrating Lip Gloss, lip glaze and blush. A nourishing lip treatment that doubles as a high shine rosy pink gloss. Yes, please. This one is infused with vitamin E, deep moistures that never sticky, and so your lips stay soft and supple all day. That was like hard to read for me. Oh, there's plastic on this. Okay, let me take this off. I don't know if it had to smell. It doesn't feel sticky. Okay, it has like a light candy smell. Tastes like nothing. Tastes like pure Vaseline. It is moisturizing. It's a lip glaze, not a lip gloss. It's shiny. The pink really does nothing. It's just clear lip gloss. Don't get fooled with this. I thought it was gonna have like some extra pink tint. No, it doesn't. Woo! Better just fell on my face, as you just saw. But it's okay. That item, full size product, is $20. The full size product is 10 milliliters. This is 5 milliliters, so this is $10 right here. Alright, next product is this right here. Ooh, I kind of wanted to This is the Pistache, like pistachio, skincare. I do perfume, Pistachio Biscotti perfume. It's 0.68 ounces, 20 milliliters. The full size is $42, 100 milliliters. So this is $8.40 altogether. So altogether right now we have $18.40. This is supposed to be 5 new products, basically small size, deluxe size, sometimes full size, sometimes sample size. It's just for you to get some feel, and it's supposed to be valued up to $70. They changed it. It used to be valued up to $50. Hopefully it goes. Hopefully it stands. Oh my gosh, I smell like pistachios. Oh, I love the smell of pistachio. Oh, it does really smell like pistachio biscotti. I freaking love this. I love this perfume. Oh, I would not wear it all the time, but like when I'm seeing my man, and you want him to, this is the one. This gives me yum yum, get in my tongue, you know. Alright, next item. We're doing well so far. I had to say it. This is Bronze Glow Drops. You put it with your lotion. It's supposed to help you bronze up your look. This baby is full size, 1 ounce, $28 full size. This is 0.27 fluid ounces. This is $7.56. Safe for sensitive skin. Let's just try this out, see? It's supposed to give you a little glow and also hydrate. I like literally went into my skin. Just like a little glow. Okay, a little shit. For the beach, you could put it with your sunscreen. Okay, I'm not mad at this now anymore. I'm not mad at it. It's not something that I would purchase or like go for, but I'm not mad at this to get this. I'm not mad at this. Okay. In my head, I was thinking about that thing on TikTok. Okay. You know. If you don't know, well, I'm sorry. I mean, I did say I want cleansers in my profile, so they are listening to my profile. I did say, you know, I want some glow. I did say this. I was running low on cleanser, but now I got like so many cleansers, and I'm like, your girl don't need anymore. Thank you though. Thank you for the cleansers. But yeah, this is Real Chemistry cleanser, fresh start foaming cleanser, a little travel size cleanser for Bam when I go see Bay at night. You know, when I go to his house, that's what these cleansers are for. Cleanse my face in the morning, cleanse all this makeup off. Yes, this is giving me a 0.5 because, first of all, 0.5 because it has no color. Well, technically 0.75. 0.5. Point. Because it smells good and it's come eat me up good. 0.5. So basically 2 points for right now because it's giving me bronze and it's perfect, but this is not something that I would choose to put in my bag with the whole choices and everything else. And then cleanser, 0.5. So right now we have 2 points. 2.5 out of 5. Let's hope that the next product is going to be great. Oh, by the way, I forgot that one. Full size, $24. and the full size is 120 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters. So this right here is $3. I'm not really seeing a big ticket item right now. Like, it's not even getting close to 50. Okay, I see the big ticket item. It's the item that I cannot wear. This is full size and this retails for $24. Your cheeks are about to be popping with this coral peach blush infused with periwinkle and white mulberry extracts to create a natural luminous flush of color. This is from Seraphine and Botanicals periwinkle plus pop soft sculpting blush and coral mist. That's where it's from, and also the name of the product. Let me just like open this. Okay, it's a little scratched up, but we got it. It's a little broke too in transit. Came in this type of packaging. Let me try to push it down. I like the embossing. Okay. Why this would actually work if I just put it like in the high points of my cheeks, it would be like a peachy highlighter. Hold up. Oh wow. You saw how quick that was? Wait, I've got to do it again. I don't have any blush on today, so I guess this is my blush for the day. It actually worked out. Okay. And I didn't choose this, you know? This was a choice item and I didn't choose it. I didn't choose it at all. Wow. Yes. 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 Okay. This is $24. Is it worth it? No. Worth $18? Yes. $24? No. I would pay $18 for this blush. $24 though, no. But it is a really nice blush and it's good on my complexion. I thought they were trying to be like, girl, you gonna look ghost. We don't F with you, you know. But Seraphine Botanicals heading in. Because, you know, they're not friendly brands, so they hitting it. This is all inclusive, okay? Let's go on a cruise. We're gonna get away. Yes. So this is the point. So I got 3.5 points. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 points. 3.5 points out of 5. That's good. That's a C. This is a C bag. Especially because when I add all the freaking products up, probably gonna give me C mentality, C pricing. So let's add it up. See, why did they change it to 70? Because if they would have just said up to $50, it's $52.96 down. Like it's 50. If they would have just said $50 and more, like they did before, like at least 50, then we wouldn't have this problem because it says valued up to, meaning up to, but $70 is the max. You always want the max. Just say it's valued at $50 and more. Because it's $52.96 this bag. I mean, it's less than what I paid for. You pay, I believe, $15 every single month, plus shipping and handling. So $17 and some change comes out of your bank account. And it took me a while. I was like, out of your bank account. So after all that is said and done, I got worth the money. I got a new lip gloss. Yes, it's clear, but I could always just like put it on top of this, call it a day, make it a lippy day instead of a satin day. I can always do extra stuff with it, okay? And then this I could put in my bag, put it with my lotion, put it all over my body, make it glisten. You know, this is like yum 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 in my tongue. Put this in one of my purses and go to my man's house, call it a day. Great blush for today. And also cleanser for bed. So I'm not mad at it. It's all let's go to my man's house bag. That's like put all that up in there. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Have a good day, have a good night whenever you're watching this. Video right here, head right here, go check it out, and see you in my next video. Deuces.